We made it through about 100 miles of Baja's best. We're not racing. Yeah, we already blinked at me.
Yo, what's up guys? I'm over here in Anaheim with Bridgetown Josh.
What's up everybody, this is Josh with One Life Trauma Kits. I'm out here with my girl Gucci. We're gonna drive this girl from Anaheim, California, pre-run from Ojos Negros to Punta Colonet, and drive her back home.
We're gonna head down to Chula Vista and meet up with Baja Chula, Nick. He's bringing his Silverado down.
And Pete Rock.
And then we'll get on the road, cross the border, and head down to Ensenada for the night. What's that, Josh? You gotta
shine your shit before you ride.
Thoughts?
We made it.
We have.
Ready for tacos?
So ready for tacos.
What are the tacos of choice?
I don't know, pastor.
Tuna, no crust.
I'll have the tuna.
No crust?
No crust.
I feel like I'm in the off-road version of Fast and Furious right now.
Seriously, what a lineup. All 4 spots, pre-runners, tacos.
Yeah, that's got a little kick.
Hey guys, I like Terra Crew and you should too. So like and subscribe so we can keep on doing this stuff.
Hey guys, Terra Crew YouTube, like it and subscribe it.
Good morning guys. We're about to take off on our pre-run. It's like 7 in the morning. Off to the gas station, get some supplies, stop at a birria joint, and then hit the road. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see the legendary spots. Pete's awesome OBS Chevy. 1993 with 1994 Cummins 6BT swap in this thing. Full custom long travel kit and 4-link cage, everything you could ever need. Tried and true Mexico pre-runner right here. Pete is a Mexico extraordinaire, let's just say it like that.
Yeah, so it's the 2021 Baja 1000 Peninsula Run, which is pretty unique. If you're gonna come down here, it's the Peninsula Run you gotta come for. We're at El Cortez Hotel here in Ensenada, and we're getting ready to pre-run the first roughly about 150 miles. We're gonna start in Ojos Negros, do the classic run to kilometer 77 and jump onto the north side of the highway, do the goat trail, go down into Valley T, probably do a taco stop, fuel stop, brag about who was slow and who was fast.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna jump on the course, do the crossover road over to Llano Colorado, down to the San Vicente area by Highway 1. That section's really cool, really fast. A lot of switchbacks, rally car stuff.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, so it's really good scenery in there. Once we hit the highway, we'll see how we're doing on time. We might head south and continue on the race course along the coast. But if it's too late, we'll probably turn north on the coast and do the old classic course up to Arendida, back to Santo Tomas. Either way, it's gonna be a good time. I mean,
right, dude.
No bad days down here. So try to tell people that haven't been down here, try to describe it. And it's an emotion. You can't describe an emotion. You got to feel it. So you got to be down here. You got to try it. You got to get dirty. You got to eat the tacos, and you kind of start to understand what everyone's always talking about.
Yeah, dude. I'm fully immersed right now, and I'm so excited.
Yeah, so let's do it. Let's get this show on the road.
How ready are you, Nick?
Dude, I'm excited. It's been a long time coming, but this is the year. We're stoked.
Finally made it to Mexico.
Woo! Woo!
racing, but you ain't losing.
We're not racing. Yeah, we already blinked at me.
1, 2, 3.
Kevin, that guy's not even racing you.
Yeah, he did. He blinked.
You ready or what?
And I'm ready.
Listo? Yeah.
Ready to do it.
Yes, sir.
See those signs?
Yeah.
Caution.
Okay.
Over crest.
Right.
So anytime you see a down arrow, that's a caution. If you see 2 down arrows, double caution. If you see 3 down arrows, it's like fucking like damn near stop.
Check up.
Check up big time. See, that's probably the fucking line right there. Yep.
Yep.
See that?
Yep, another line. See right here on the GPS, there's a Y in the road, so we can go either way.
See, look, this is probably the cheater line right here.
Yeah.
Get out of this. Watch, when we come around this hillside, you'll probably see.
So there's that easy line right here.
So you take that line to the right over the hill. Get out of this single track.
What are those, Nick?
This is after you eat tacos for breakfast and you had tacos for midnight snack.
Yeah.
And you didn't take anti-choro pills.
Yeah, man.
It's all over.
We all had some tacos and we all had to go to the bathroom. We're here, stopped somewhere between Ojos Negros and Valley T. So we're kind of downloading some GPS files. Everybody's got their trucks. We're just making sure everyone's on the right path. There's Nick, all dusty.
Yeah, we're in the back of the pack, so it's pretty gnarly.
Yeah. Wait, what's going on here?
Yeah, well, hair tie.
I don't have a hair tie.
No hair tie, so that's a zip tie?
Yeah, and it won't come loose.
You gotta do what you gotta do in Baja. That reminds me of a time when I zip tied my shoe together.
You pull your shoe apart?
I had a blowout.
I got zip ties.
Oh, zip tie.
Yeah. I'm down.
This is a first, man.
You got any flush cuts?
Dude.
Ready to rip. What are your thoughts on what we've been doing so far?
Dude, so far it's a good time.
What do you think of the course?
Oh, the course is nice. Not too much silt.
Okay, but is it plush? Like, let's be real. I think it's rough as hell.
Not until the last couple miles it started getting pretty rough, but besides that, it was pretty smooth.
Right. Anything in this truck is just, it's gonna be smooth, period. Look at that. 4 O's in the back too?
4 or 5.
4 5s. Dang, son.
What's up, guys?
How's it going, Pete?
Going pretty well. It's a little dusty.
A little
Should
bit.
have called ahead and had them water the track a little
Right.
bit, you know.
I know.
It's okay. We can work
Unfortunate.
today. We can work.
They took the day off, that's why. That's a good one, dude. Wow.
Duck ties and zip tape. Hell yeah.
So unfortunately right now we have an impromptu stop to fix a throttle cable on Baja Chula. They're down here sliding the cable out from the firewall and they're gonna run it through a different area so that it's not binding on Nick, because right now he's saying it's ratcheting down and it's ratcheting back up, so it's not returning quick enough. So the last thing that we wanna have happen here is a stuck throttle and then something go bad. So we're gonna take the cable and we're gonna fill it up. We're gonna spit on it. All right, we're gonna get it wet.
So we're gonna drop some motor oil down in there.
Yeah.
Hopefully lube up the inside of this cable that seems to be coming apart.
You think it's fraying inside?
Yes.
Okay.
Right there, it's stuck open.
Oh yeah, what the heck?
Yeah.
What?
You know how to fix a Chevy?
Piss on it.
Use Toyota parts.
More tacos next. Get after it.
You really?
Yeah, when I stopped down that hill,
Oh, yeah.
he slid right into the back of it. It felt bad.
Is he alright?
Made it to the beach.
Yeah, we did. Long trip.
Yeah. We made it to the beach just in time for the sunset. Just kidding. At least we're here. We are going to just chill, take a breather, relax. Hopefully we'll get like a nice camera shot here with the stars and the waves crashing in the background.
Show everybody our tripod.
We're gonna set up a camera on this 37 right here.
37-inch
That's a pro tripod right there.
Beadlock tripod, bro.
Heck yeah, what do we have here?
Just a long exposure. This is a 5-second.
Where did we just make it to, Pete?
We made it through about 100 miles of Baja's best. We're just south of Herendida, a little place called Cerro Solo. Old race course, but not race course for this race.
Okay, so like Baja 500 course.
Yeah.
We came through all that to get here and came from Highway 1 and now the sand is right there. Sand is right out there. We're gonna hit the beach on the way up.
Yeah, work our way back up to Ensenada.
Yeah, go through Santo Tomas and just bomb it. We're tired, we're hungry. Can't wait to have some tacos and take a shower. I am dirty.
I had enough Baja for one day.
Right, it's a lot in one day, but you know what? We're here, we finished strong. You know, a little late, but better late than never. We're loaded up. Nick's truck on the trailer. Josh and Pete, they're driving out of here all the way back to the States. Heck yeah. We're done. We're gonna ditch this popsicle stand. So
Thank you, Baja.
yeah,
It was fun.
it's been good, man. Did you guys have a good
We had a
time?
good time, man. Thanks for coming along, tagging along with us.
Dude, I'm so
Thanks
happy.
for
Always a
having
good
us,
time.
dude.
Pre-running, some fixes, tacos, snack time, everything in between. Thank you so much to these guys. Without them, we wouldn't have this experience to share. So thank you to Josh, Pete, Nick for taking us around, and Jared too.
If you guys like what we do, please comment, like, subscribe. All that helps us out so much. Share it with your friends. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you next time. Peace.
Peace, guys.